everyone, welcome back to Code with Bibs. Today we are learning quicksort in Python. So quicksort is a fast sorting algorithm based on divide and conquer. It works by choosing a pivot element, placing it in the correct position and then recursively sorting the left and right parts. So let's write the code step by step. First I'm creating a partition function. Def partition nums, this will be the array, okay, low and high. So this function helps us place the pivot element in its correct position. Next, I will be selecting the first element as the pivot. So pivot will be equals to nums of the first element, that is low. The pivot is the reference element around which the array gets divided. Next, I will be initializing two pointers as I is equals to low and j is equals to high. I starts from the left side and j starts from the right side, okay. Now the main loop will be coming. This loop will continue until the two pointers meet or cross each other while I is less than j. Now I will be moving the I pointer forward. So while nums of I is less than equals to pivot and I is less than equals to high minus 1, then I will be I plus 1. So it keeps moving until it finds an element that is greater than pivot. Fine. Now similarly we will decrease the j part. So while nums of j is greater than equals to pivot and j is greater than equals to low plus 1, then j minus equals to 1. Got it? So here I'm moving the j pointer backwards. It keeps moving until it finds an element that is smaller than the pivot. Fine. Now I will check that whether if I is less than j, what it will do is nums of I comma nums of j is equals to nums of j comma nums of I. So here we know that it's swapping the elements. So we swap them to move the smaller elements to the left and larger elements to the right. Okay. So now after this loop ends, I swap the pivot with the j pointer. So this loop has completely ended. So nums of low, nums of j is equals to nums of j and nums of low. So this places the pivot in its final correct position. Okay. Okay. So now I'll just return the pivot index. So return j. Fine. So this function is completed now. Now we will make another function. I'll create the main quicksort function now. So def quicksort, where I'll pass the array and low, high. If this is the base condition, okay. So if low is less than high, sorting will happen only if there are multiple elements. So p index is equals to partition nums low and high. Here I call the partition function to find the correct pivot position. Okay. Now what I'll do is quicksort nums low and p index minus 1. I'll recursively sort the left part of the pivot. Fine. The next thing that I'm going to do is quick sort nums p index plus 1 comma high. I will recursively sort the right part of the pivot now. Okay. Now I will return the nums. So return nums. Now finally, here is my unsorted array. Nums is equals to, suppose, 8 comma 5 2 9 6 3. Okay, this is my unsorted array, and print quick sort nums comma low comma length of nums minus 1. Now I'm calling the quicksort function and printing the sorted result. So now here we can see that we have already got the sorted array. So the array is now sorted. Quicksort is much faster than sorting algorithms like bubble sort for large data set because its average time complexity is O n log n. So if you found this helpful, like, subscribe and comment which sorting algorithm you want next. Thank you.